Hi everyone, it's Maybell with Love Shaped Intuition. I'm back with another reading. This reading is going to be for anyone watching. This is Spirit Animal and Nature Messages. If you haven't yet subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe. It's the most valuable support that you can provide me here on YouTube, and it's free for your subscription. Like, comment, share this video with a friend or family member. All interactions continue to help the channel to grow, and I really appreciate all your support. I'm really excited to announce that we reached 700 subscribers, and so I decided to come on and do some readings for right now. I'll be bringing an angel reading soon. Let me know in the comments your favorite readings. What kind of readings would you like to see on my channel? If you would like to support my work with a donation, please visit Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-fi.com. I also have an Amazon wish list if you would like to gift a new oracle or a tarot deck to the channel. All those links are in the description box as well as in the comment section. All right, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, what do we need to know right now? This is for the collective. What do we need to know right now? Okay, fog veiled. Okay, Eagle Communion. All right, so you might not be seeing clearly the meaning to the messages, but they are trying to come to you. In prayer or meditation is a good time to commune with nature and to try and receive those messages. It could be that the veil is thinning at this time. I'm also hearing that the Lionsgate portal may be a good time for that. Okay, sea turtle protection. You are master of finding life's flow. Be in harmony with the rhythm and your path will unfold. Persevere and you will succeed. You have everything you need to be protected and happy. So you might be seeing sea turtles or eagles. This may be surrounding some type of challenge with the mountain there. Okay, hummingbird miracles. You are the joy bringer. You bless the world with positivity and love. Energy soars on your shining wings. Spread the miracle of happiness. Okay, so far I'm seeing that you are protected and being guided through something that may be challenging or uncertain. You might be looking for clarity. Prayer and meditation is important for the viewer. Okay, the coyote and datura deceit, and the otter and cattail peace. So you can see through the deceit. Perhaps there is, again, not being able to see clearly that someone or something is lying, or this may be a form of self-sabotage. The stories that you're telling yourself are untrue, and this is asking you to seek peace no matter what. Okay, for the viewer. Okay, stars navigation And eagle vision, wow. Okay, so we have eagle again, and being able to see clearly, some kind of navigation, the direction, perhaps astrology. This could also be just feeling like something is destiny, or maybe like, again, praying for a miracle, or hoping and wishing with the star. Okay, water, lifeblood, card 41. So make sure that you are staying hydrated. Water, everything needs water to survive. And we are all connected. Set an intention when you drink water that it helps purify you. Cyclamen, resignation. Say goodbye to what you no longer need. So the stories or the deceit that you're telling yourself, or if someone has been lying to you, keeping you in some kind of veiled place where they are keeping you some type of secret, or okay, Peony, health. Focus on all parts to make the whole. So balance everything. The water would also be connected to flow, would be connected to intuition, would be connected to the water element, the flow of emotions. So for your well-being, okay, and there's a focus here with a vision here. Zinnia, absence. What is not here is the key. So perhaps like what you're not seeing. Okay, Lenten Rose, and we have protection. Again, protection. Conserve what you have and save a little. I'm going to use this other deck as well. What is this that we need to know? Okay, wow, self-sabotage. When you learn to get out of your way, there will be no stopping you. Most of the time, it's not others who prevent you from achieving your true goals. It's that inner voice that derails those carefully woven plans. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. So fog veiled. We have the vision card with the eagle. She's covering her eyes. And we have another one where she's covering her eyes. Embrace the moment. Embrace this day, this very moment. Think positively today and repel those negative thoughts. Try not to judge yourself or others. This may be harder than you think. What is actually happening is that you're changing your energy. Beautiful. So perhaps you need to try and lighten up, go after your happiness, go with the flow, embrace the moment, try to not be so hard on yourself, especially if you find that you have been kind of self-sabotaging or not, lying to yourself, not keeping balance, energy for self-love. Now is the time to love, nurture, and heal yourself. Self-love is not simply a state of mind about feeling good. It's a state of appreciation for yourself that grows and matures from actions you take to support your body, mind, and soul. Beautiful. Okay, trust. While your logical mind is dictating a supposedly clear direction, your soul's inner guidance is urging you to follow an alternative path. The logical path may be one that you consider safe and more familiar, but you could be missing out on boundless opportunities and so much more. So this may be telling you to focus on your healing, on leaving behind what no longer serves you for your well-being. Something here, absence what is not here, and say goodbye to what you no longer need. Self-sabotage and deceit, embracing the moments, self-love, trusting yourself and your decisions. Perhaps it is that feeling of maybe insecurity or feeling as though maybe anxious or nervousness. Protection came out twice. All right, so I hope that was a helpful reading for someone out there. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'd love to see you back at Love Shaped Intuition. Take care, and thank you for watching.